Ayan guys, kung marunong kang magluto, madiskarte ka magluto. Ayan, kung ano-ano na lang ang lulutuin mo. Pero masarap to, grabe. Ayan. Patay ng manok o chicken liver with mixed vegetables. It's so yummy. On this one, I use only oyster sauce and soy sauce. Toss this on it. You can see onion and garlic. Yes. Let's eat, guys. May pagkain na naman ako ng umaga, tanghali. Yes. See? When it's already done, you can put the